In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Western Union to Pakistan. To do this, just open up the Western Union website or app and sign into your account, and then go to the Send Money section, and from there just go to search for Pakistan and select it. Then click Continue, and now choose how much you would like to send, for example 75 euros. And then from here choose how you want to pay, so I can pay by debit card or any of these other options. For example, I'll just use a credit card and then click Save, and then you can choose how you want the money to be delivered to the recipient in Pakistan. So it can be a mobile wallet, bank account, whichever one you want to use. I'll do mobile wallet. Then from there click Continue, and if you haven't yet, again just gonna sign in. And then from there you can go and add your new recipients, add their first and last name and optionally middle name and email address, and then their address after that. And then once doing that, it kind of depends on which method you chose for the recipient to receive the money. I chose mobile wallet, so therefore I can select which mobile wallet, for example EasyPaysa, and then add their wallet mobile number, purpose of transfer, and then continue, and then go and pay for the transfer. And then the money will be on its way to my recipient. So that's how to transfer money from Western Union to Pakistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.